guys, new launch from Mars Cosmetics. These are matte lip color by Mars. So ये liquid matte lipsticks which gives you matte look without drying out your lips as per the brand. We will talk about it later, but let's see the packaging. So because the transparency is there, you can understand कि कौन सा shade आप उठा रहे हो roughly. और ये इसका texture है moussey सा, as you can see. This is the creamy and moussey texture and it gives you nice pigmentation in one swipe. अब इसके swatches भी देख लेते हैं one by one. So I have 8 shades with me. First shade is 02. This is rusty brown color. Very good, nice day to day wear के लिए भी अच्छा है, makeup के लिए भी अच्छा है. So overall looks beautiful. और ये उन लोगों को बहुत पसंद आएगा जिनको brown shades पसंद है. So let's see how it looks after the application. Now I understood one thing कि ये मैंने सिर्फ एक ही layer लगाया. एक layer looks so beautiful and light and nice. If you want to build the intensity, you can have 2 coats. That's the close-up of it. You can see that slightly मेरे fine lines को lips के ये accentuate करता है once it dries and settles. Now this is the second shade 08. This is dirty mauve shade. I like mauve shades, so I love this. But ये without makeup थोड़ा सा wash off कर सकता है. Now this is 09. This is a chocolate brown shade. Looks beautiful again. थोड़ा सा dark है, chocolatey है. So if you like these kinds of shade, you will love this. I think I have applied 1.5 coats of this. मतलब थोड़ा सा उसको और अच्छे से pigmentation दिखाने के लिए. So what I love about these lipsticks are कि एक layer में ना ये अच्छा दिखता है, sober सा दिखता है. Second layer में it will be more visible. Now this is 10 outrageous, looks light pink mauve shade. Now the next shade is 12, another rusty brown, but this is slightly darker than the first rusty brown shade, that is 02, which I have shown you, and looks again beautiful. I would suggest to use just 1.5 coats of it, because when you build it like 2 and above coats, then it might feel crumbly and patchy once it dries and settles down. Now the next shade, which I love is 13, and this is like a maroonish dark pink color. It has hints of like maroonish red also. Personally, I absolutely loved this color. And yeah, let's see the next one. Next is 14. This is brown plus maroon. Like पहले वाला जब हमने देखा, that was maroonish pink. This is, I feel, maroonish brown because it has a bit of maroon also and looks brown tone also. So yeah, now मेरे lips थोड़े से ना dry होते जा रहे थे, so आपको texture दिख सकता है from the close shots. Maybe you can notice that. The last shade is 16, vacation mode. This is brown peachy pink color, so mostly peachy brown, you can say. I love this color. It's very unique color, I feel. Pigmentation is really good. It has lightweight moussey texture, but just go less with the coats. Once you build the coats, it might feel patchy and go crumbly, as I said earlier, and खाने के बाद इसकी अंदर की layer निकल जाती है. But if you don't eat or drink anything like for a long time, if you're just going and roaming around, then it's good. So here I'm just showing you off that सिर्फ wet wipe से ये नहीं निकलती है. You need a makeup remover, then it gets removed very easily. Overall, I would say that just moisturize your lips well before applying these lipsticks. That will do really good. फाइनली, अगर आपको मेरी मेहनत पसंद आई है, वीडियो पसंद आया है, तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करके ज़रूर जाना. बाय बाय, सी यू.